Hello and welcome to our presentation video where I, as the host, will be telling you all about our company, Capcom Company. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Azalia Sunida Darmawan and I'm from the marketing manager, and this is my contact info if you have any question about me later. Now, without further ado, let me give you a brief summary of what Capcom Company is. Capcom Company is a Japanese video game developer and publisher. It has created a number of multi-million selling game franchises, with its most commercial successful being Resident Evil, Monster Hunter, Street Fighter, Mega Man, Devil May Cry, and Dead Rising. Established in 1979 by Kenzo Sugimoto. From our last report from 2019, we have revenue as much as 94.5 billion yen, a net income of 12.6 billion yen, while the number of people that work for us is 2,832 people. Building on its origin as a game machine manufacturer, Capcom is now involved in all areas of the video game industry. Capcom maintains operations in the US, UK, Germany, France, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Tokyo, with corporate headquarters located in Osaka, Japan. Now, for our company history. Capcom was founded on May 13, 1979 by our CEO, Mr. Kenzo Sugimoto, when he was still a president of IR Corporation and founded IRM. The original company that spawned Capcom Japanese brands were IRM, as well as its subsidiary Japan Capsule Computer Company, both of which were devoted to manufacturing and distribution of electronic game machines. The two companies underwent a name change to Sambi Corporation in September 1981, while Capcom Company was first established on June 11, 1983 by Mr. Kenzo Sugimoto for the purpose of taking over the internal sales department. While our first product was the coin-operated Little League from July 1983, our first real video game was the arcade title Volgus. Was released in May 1984, and then beginning with a Nintendo Entertainment System port of 1942 published on December 1985, the company started to venture into market of home console of video game, which begins our main business segment a few years later. Our division Capcom USA had a brief stint in the late 1980s as a video game publisher for the Commodore 94 and IBM PC-DOS computer, although the development of these arcade ports were handled by other companies. In January 1989, the old affiliated Capcom Company merged with Sambi Corporation, resulting in the current Japanese branch in name Capcom is a clip compound of capsule computers, a term coined by the company to describe the arcade machine it solely manufactured in its early years, designed to set themselves apart from personal computers that were becoming widespread at the time. Capcom partnered with New Media in 2011 to publish and distribute the Japanese independent Dojin Soft game that New localized into English language. The company works with Polish localization company Kilokpok Capcom games to the other platform. And next is our cooperation structure. And as we can see, it's like other company with Mr. Kenzo Sugimoto as our Chairman and Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Haruhi Sugimoto as our President and Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Kenichi Homura as Director Executive Corporate Officer, as well as Chief Financial Officer, Mr. Yoichi Egawa as Director Executive Corporate Officer, Mr. Nobuyuki Matsushima as Head of R&D Management Division, Mr. Koji Yokota as Head of Administration Division, and Mr. Yoshinobu Sasahara as General Manager of Corporate Planning Department. Besides of that, we have a development studio, and in this development studio, we have an internal division consumer games development, which being divided to 3 divisions. Those are Consumer Game Development Division 1, headed by Jun Takeuchi with Resident Evil, Devil May Cry, Dead Rising, and other franchise, usually targeted toward North American and Europe audience. Consumer Games Development Division 2, headed by Ryozo Sugimoto, which also head of Mobile Online Development Division, with Monster Hunter as externary, Sengoku Basara, and other franchises with more traditional IP, usually targeted toward Japanese audience. And Consumer Game Development Division 3 with Street Fighter, Marvel vs. Capcom, and other online-focused franchise, usually targeted toward a worldwide audience. And next is our game franchise, which started with a series of fighting games called Street Fighter franchise in 1987, which became the most popular in their genre. Having sold 46 million units, the series served as one of our company flagship franchise. That same year, our company introduced its Mega Man series, which has sold 36 million units. The company then released a first entry of Resident Evil Survival Horror series in 1996. The series has achieved financial success, selling 107 million units. Following work on the second entry in the Resident Evil series, our company began work on the Resident Evil game for the PlayStation 2. Radically different from the existing series, our company decided to spin off the game on its own series, which became Devil May Cry. While it released the first 3 entries exclusive for the PlayStation 2, the company backed further entry to non-Sony console. The series as a whole has seen sales for 23 million units. Capcom began its Monster Hunter series in 2004. The series has seen sales for 66 million units on a variety of consoles. Although the company often relies on existing franchises, it also published and developed several titles for the Xbox, PlayStation 3, and Wii U, based on original intellectual property, Lost Planet, Extreme Condition, Dead Rising, Dragon Dogma, Asura World, and Zack and Wiki. During this period, our company also have published several original titles from up and upcoming Western developer, with titles like Remember Me, Dark Void, and Spybox. Titles that many publishers were not willing to take a chance on. Also note are the title Okami, Okami Maiden, and Ghost Trick Phantom Detective. And this is our achievement. And this is just our several achievement. Other achievement you could see on our website called capcom.jp. And that's all for our company introduction. If you have any question, you can always ask us on our Facebook page on Capcom Mirror or our Twitter at capcom_IR. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.